If you're someone who's starting to build their YouTube channel, watch this video till the end. If you're someone who has already started your YouTube channel and you're not getting views, please watch this video till the end. My name is Stan and I'm your host and host on the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. I also have a Bengali channel which is having around 1,78,000 subscribers as of now. Okay, probably by the time you are watching this video, it might have increased some more. But I've been doing YouTube for almost like 5 years now, a little more than 5 years, and I have gained a lot of knowledge about YouTube, how things work in YouTube, and how you can actually get more views. You can increase your subscriber count and get more out of your YouTube videos. However, in this video, I'm going to talk about the very first few steps that you should do while you start your YouTube channel, or even when you are very new at YouTube. So watch this video till the end and I'm sure it's going to be very informative. Now understand this, that on YouTube there are already millions of people creating videos, and when you choose your particular niche on which you are going to work, you may find even 1,000 or 10,000 different channels creating similar kind of videos. Okay, so in one way YouTube is very much saturated, and the content that you have range from words to even premium quality content. But then that should not stop you from starting your own channel and creating your own content. Everyone creating content has their own perspective, and they create content from their perspective, right? From how they look into something. That is what makes you unique, and that is what probably will be liked by your subscribers and your viewers. So how to prepare for YouTube, how to prepare your YouTube channel, or prepare yourself so that you can start a successful and a fruitful YouTube channel. The very first thing that you should think about is the topic or the niche in which you want to make videos. Now understand that on YouTube, even though there are different channels talking about multiple things, you need to find your unique selling proposition is USP, and that is what you need to find out. What is that one thing that you are an expert of? What is that one thing that you want to talk about in your channel? Pick something that you really know very closely, okay, or things that you have done yourself, you have failed and you have gained success on that particular thing, and create videos on that topic. Make sure that you choose something which you can make videos on, make content on, even when you are out of ideas of creating content, and still you can talk about something which helps in their life, in their work. Okay, you're not probably solving any specific problem with your content, but then you are helping the viewer, the audience, to solve their problems. That should be your motto. So find something which you are an expert of, and something that you are passionate about, so that you can create content very regularly. The most important thing on YouTube is consistency. Only reason my Bengali channel could prosper, could become so big today, is because I have created consistent video for some time. Even this English channel, the channel where I talk about freelancing and creating money or making money online, this channel has not grown that far because of this reason. I have not been consistent. But over the last few months, I've been making videos consistently. Whoever is watching my videos, they know that I've created so many of videos on topics which are related to freelancing or making money online. So be consistent. Choose a topic on which you can create a lot of content, a lot of videos, because your audience would actually come back to your channel to watch something which they have watched earlier. Okay, and something that is related to that particular topic. If you create videos on very random topics, or create videos on very different kind of topics, people will get confused, your viewers will get confused, and they may not want to return to your YouTube channel. Understand that even if your chosen topic is very niche, it's very small kind of topic, a very short topic, even if you create consistent video on that particular topic, your videos are going to rank higher on YouTube, and more people are eventually going to come and watch your videos. Now, if you see the top few channels on YouTube, you will find that most of them are entertainment channels. The top Indian channel is like the T series channel, where they upload their music albums, their movie songs and all. Probably that cannot be done by everybody. You may not be able to do that kind of content every now and then. But then whatever topic you choose, that has to have something which is related to each other, okay, which can support each other. The previous video should support this video should support the next video. That's how you build a connection with your audience, and that's why they will come back to your channel to watch similar kind of content in the future videos also, okay. And that's why people subscribe. Why would I subscribe? Think yourself, okay, ask yourself, why would you subscribe to a particular YouTube channel? If you find something which is relevant to your topic, or something that you want to learn, okay, only then you will be subscribing to the channel, and you will be expecting to get similar kind of content in the future as well. That's when you subscribe, right? So is your audience, so is the viewer that is watching your video today. So tomorrow he'll only come back when you have created similar kind of videos. So I'm not going to get into very in depth of the different things, that you 4 steps that you want to do to make your channel big. Not that. In this video I'm going to talk about this one particular thing, that choosing a niche and creating video consistently is the sole aspect of YouTube. Nonetheless, your quality of the video should be very good. Your video should not be, the audio should not be bad, the video should not be uh, I mean, it should be worthy to watch, right? If somebody is coming here, sitting there for 5 minutes and watching your videos, 10 minutes watching your videos, those 10 minutes that they are spending on your videos should be worthy to them. So take a topic, be an expert on that topic, and create videos on that one topic consistently for a long time. Now, why I'm saying a long time? There are some videos, some channels who grow. Like just recently, I came to know about a channel who got 4 million subscribers in like 3 months. That channel has done wonders, okay, and we do not expect every channel to do the same. But then how did he do it? He again is a not new YouTuber. He has been running a channel for some time, and he has learned the tips and tricks of YouTube, and those tricks he has implemented in his new channel, and he has got so many subscribers, okay. So for you, choosing the niche, making videos which are relevant to each other, making videos which are consistent with the thought process or with the USP of your channel, that is the main key. Now, there are people who start their channel and they leave it after like 3 months, 4 months, 6 months. They say that I'm not getting subscribers, it's not going anywhere, so let's not waste time on it. This is not how YouTube works. You have to make consistent videos for, I would say, over a year or something. Only then you can judge whether your quality or your content is gaining moss or not, okay. Only when you do it for a longer time, you will find people coming back to you, watching your content, watching your videos, and then you will become bigger, okay. Then you will make a bigger subscriber base, and then you get more views, okay. So only doing these two things, like choosing a good topic and creating videos consistently on that topic, can take you places, okay. So if there is one thing that you should know about YouTube, this is that one thing: create a niche channel and create videos consistently. That is what the most important thing is about YouTube, okay. All right, so there are many other things like the description, the hashtags, the SEO of YouTube, the thumbnails. Those are also important. I'm not denying that, I'm not saying that those things are not important, but then those are all secondary things. The primary thing is to create consistent video, relevant videos, and content that can talk to your audience, okay. So I hope this information was helpful to you. If it was, please give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more about freelancing, about creating content, creating money online, how you can create money, you can make money online. I creating videos on these kind of topics very regularly on this channel, okay. So thanks a lot for watching. This is Stan signing off from the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.